Hello everyone, I am Kondabutla Sushant Kumar.
And I am Sunil Sapul.
In this video, we are going to tell about the uses of drone in livestock farming. Agriculture is changing with new technologies, and one of the most exciting innovations in modern farming is use of drones. Drones are not only useful for crop farming, but they also play an important role in livestock farming. In this video, we will explore how drones are helping farmers managing livestock more efficiently, save time, and improve animal health. Monitoring livestock movement. The first important use of drones in livestock farming is monitoring livestock. On large farms, it can be difficult for farmers to keep track of all their animals. Drones provide an aerial view of the entire farm, allowing farmers to observe animals quickly and easily. This helps them to monitor grazing pattern, movement, and overall herd behavior. Finding injured and lost animals. Another important use in finding lost or injured animals. Sometimes animals may wander far from the herd or get injured in remote areas. Drones equipped with cameras and thermal sensors can help farmers locate their animals quickly, even in difficult terrains or during low visibility. Health surveillance. Drones also help in health surveillance of livestock. By observing animals from above, farmers can detect unusual behavior such as animals separating from the herd, reduced movement, or signs of illness. Early detection of health problems allows farmers to take quick action and prevent disease from spreading.
Herd management. Drones are also useful for herd management. They can guide livestock toward grazing areas or back to the shelter without stressing the animal. This reduces the need for extra labor and makes herd management more efficient. Pasture and grazing management. Another major benefit is pasture and grazing management. Drone can survey the pasture to check grass availability, pasture quality, and grazing pattern. This helps farmers plan pasture rotation and ensure animals always have enough food. Farm security. Drones also improve farm security. They help monitor farm boundaries and protect livestock from thieves and predators like dogs, tiger, leopard, etc. Monitor water sources. In addition, drones can be used for monitoring water sources. Farmers can check ponds, rivers, water tanks where animal drinks. This ensures their livestock always have access to clean and sufficient water. Modern drones can collect data that helps in farm planning and decision making. They can create a map of grazing areas, tracks, and movement over time, and helps farmers improve overall livestock management. In conclusion, drones are becoming an important tool in livestock farming. Drones make livestock farming smarter by improving monitoring, herd management, security, and overall farm efficiency. It's the future of farming.